For the whole week, USD index traded in range and in fact mostly traded bearish and consolidated more. It failed to breach past the previous lows at 103. It failed to break past 105 levels on the upside and consolidated here. Now what to expect? Can we expect a drop from here, or is it going to reverse after this consolidation phase and we can again expect a rise? Which position we should take? What to expect from the dollar index? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is going to be the last week for this year for the dollar. Let's see where it closes. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Do watch till the end. Towards the end, I will give you the levels to expect and levels to enter. Now, let's have a look at the weekly charts. See, this is lower highs, higher lows. Now, it gives an impression that it is waiting for a breakout. Now see, increasing body. So yes, it is bearish and this is with an increasing body. Now if it opens below this zone where it has closed and trades in red, breaks past 103.5 levels. If it breaks past 103.5, then you can expect that it is going to go till towards 103, and breaking below 103, definitely more drop can be expected, and this time it can give you sharper plunge. That is one thing, because increasing body size, consolidation, it means a breakout, and breakout can be either which ways. However, if it breaks below 103, certainly more drop might be seen, and then you can expect it to drop till towards 102.35 and 102.15 levels. In fact, it can reach till 102 levels. Possible, very much possible. On the upside, now look at the upside here. See, this is where it has seen the lower highs. It means a breakout beyond 104.35 or 104.5 levels. Certainly beyond 104.5, there could be a possibility, there could be a likelihood for it to rise more. So once it breaks beyond 104.5, there is a possibility that it may try to attempt and achieve 104.85, 105, and then this can try to in fact achieve these levels at 105.5. So one thing is very clear, in between 103.5 levels and 104.5 levels, you have to remain cautious, you have to remain watchful, you have to observe a little more. Now this is on the weekly charts. It has already breached these levels, it is already consolidating here. See, almost the same levels at which it is consolidated. Now if you look at the behavior here, after this, there was a sharp plunge, and if it takes a sharp plunge from here, the next destination could be somewhere here. So this is on the weekly charts. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts more closely. You'll find, see, sharper drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Now the moves are getting smaller, then drop, so it's a little retracement, then again lower lows, retracement, drop, retracement, and lower highs are getting created. Lower highs are getting created, so it is trying to create couple of channels here. If you look at this channel and if you look at this channel, so this is the, you can say, the narrower one, and this is the broader one. So first thing is, it has to give a breakout either which ways, and yes, definitely below 103 you can expect it to at least go till towards 102.35, 102.15 zone. This is definitely a very good support zone, and on the upside it has to break past 104.5 and then 105 levels. If it trades beyond 105, more bullishness can be expected. So this is also conclusive that in between 103.5 and 104.5 we need not take any position. Now look at the monthly. See, on the monthly charts, you can see a sharp red candle. This was a breakout candle, and this candle is yet to take a shape. This candle is yet to form a body. It has given very narrow move throughout this month, and right now it is yet to take a shape. See this zone, 102, 101.8 levels. There is a possibility that it can try to achieve this zone before it tries to retrace, and there is a possibility that it can give you a good plunge, and hence below 103.5, yes, you can initiate a sell entry. Till 103 we need to remain cautious. Below that, definitely there could be a sharper drop, which might in fact take it till towards 102 levels, and hence one need to be watchful here. It is going to be a curtailed week. It can be a slower activity this week, as mostly traders would be on holiday here for the year-end holiday. We need to be watchful. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What does the indicators are suggesting here? Now on the daily chart, it is trading below 20, 50, 100 period moving average. The 20 period moving average right now is trying to give it a little support. And yes, the 50 and 100 period moving averages also are far away, and hence one need to be watchful of this zone at 104.5, 105. If it breaks this, certainly more bullishness can be expected, and this may show you a little rise. Directional movement here is bearish. Stochastic is comfortable. The MACD is on the green side and it is looking upwards on the daily charts with us. You can see the slope here is not much, and this indicates that the bullishness is also limited. But remember, this crossover is happening at a bottom, and hence there could be a possibility of a rise again. The RSI is trading near to the bottom and it's comfortable here. Now look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, see the moving averages here. They are trying to converge a bit, and if you look at this here, see the 100 period moving average is far below at around 98, and yes, there are supports here at around this zone, which is at 103 levels. We need to be watchful at 103, definitely 103.5 levels. The directional movement has crossed over for a sell. This is divergent here. This is bearish. The stochastic is oversold, which implies there could be a possibility of a rise. But let's see. First, it may try to give you a drop before the rise. We need to be watchful here. The MACD is divergent and bearish here. It has seen the bottom here, possibly because see the crossover was at high. Now it is almost flat here. It appears that it has seen the bottom. We need to be still watchful there. The RSI is looking downwards, and if you look at the monthly charts, on the monthly charts, the 20, 50, 100 period moving averages are far away. The directional movement is sharply bullish. It is trying to converge here. The stochastic was extremely overbought, now looking downwards, the possibly which indicates that the candle might try to close in red. And look at the MACD. The MACD is converging here. It is possibly looking forward to a crossover. The sharp red candle this time may try to make it crossover, and then in coming months we may see it dropping a little more. Now look at the RSI, which was extremely overbought, now trying to cool down, and hence possibly this month try to close in red, and that is below 106 levels itself. Even if it rises, 106 certainly is going to be a very good resistance. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for us to define the entry levels and points here so that we can trade accordingly. Now on the upside, before I provide you the levels, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, if you want to learn the or if you want to equip yourself with the right tools and strategy which will make you a profitable and proficient trader, you should join my mentorship batch. The 18th batch is going to start on 9th of January. Be a part of it. Do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now on the buy side, yes, you can take a buy position here at 104.2 levels. In fact, beyond 104.2, 104.5 is the next destination. Now, only and only if it breaks past 104.5, you can expect 104.85 and 105.1 levels. Now, see, this first thing is, this is going to be important. Next, this zone is going to be important. And if it breaks past 105.1, we can expect 105.35, 105.7 levels, and then in fact 106. So there could be a chance, there is a chance that if it breaks past this zone, then only we can expect that there could be a bullish move. That is, it has to break past 104.85, 105.1 zone, then we can confirm that there is a bullishness there and it can rise more. Else on the downside, you can sell here at 103.65 levels. Below 103.65, you can expect 103.35 and 103.15. Now if it breaks this, definitely 103 is seen, and below 103 it will call for more drop. If it drops below 103, you can expect that we are looking forward to 102.68, 102.42, and then in fact it can drop for 102.22 and 102 levels. There is a possibility that it can try to in fact breeze this till towards 101.85 levels. Now on the downside, you have to trade with caution. If it drops this week, there is a possibility from next week onwards we can see a little rise, and hence you need to trade with caution. You need to trade with stop loss. You need to trade with a trading stop loss. It can also consolidate in range before it tries to give a breakout. Hence, trade as per the levels. If it achieves one level, you have to close the position. You have to wait for the re-entry. If you have to, or you have to shift your stop loss to the first target so that you can preserve those profits, and you can take a re-entry if you see it in the same direction. Possibility exists that the markets can swing also, and hence you need to just stick to the levels. If it's a buy entry, buy it. If it's a sell entry, sell it. Trade accordingly, trade profitably. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day week ahead. Thank you.